Ariana Grande-Butera, known to the world as Ariana Grande, is a name that resonates with millions. Rising to global stardom as a singer, songwriter, and actress, Ariana has left an indelible mark on the music industry. Her infectious melodies and powerful voice have made her a household name, while her unique style has set trends worldwide. From chart-topping hits to sold-out concerts, Ariana's influence is undeniable. Born on June 26, 1993, in Boca Raton, Florida, Ariana began her journey to stardom at a very young age. Ariana's talent was evident from the start. She was raised in a household brimming with music. Her passion for performing was ignited early on, with her participating in local theater productions as a child. Ariana's love for music and performing led her to pursue a career in the arts. At just 15, she landed a role in the Broadway musical 13, where she showcased her acting chops and impressive vocal range. This performance was a turning point, marking the beginning of Ariana's journey in the entertainment industry. However, it was her breakthrough role as the charming and quirky Cat Valentine in the Nickelodeon television series Victorious that catapulted her into the limelight. Her portrayal of Cat was loved by audiences worldwide, propelling her to teen idol status. The show ran for 4 successful seasons, and Ariana's character was so popular that it spun off into another Nickelodeon series, Sam and Cat. But Ariana didn't stop there. While working on Victorious, she continued to hone her musical talents, often uploading covers of popular songs to her YouTube channel. This dedication to her craft was evident, and it wasn't long before the music industry took notice. Ariana's success on television was only the beginning of her flourishing career. From TV screen to global music charts, Ariana's transition into the music industry was seamless. Rising from her role as a teen star, Ariana evolved into a pop sensation, making a mark with her exceptional vocal range and distinctive style. Her music career started with a bang, as her debut album, Yours Truly, catapulted her to the upper echelon of pop stardom in 2013. The album was an instant success, reaching #1 on the US Billboard 200 and earning her the title of one of the top new artists of the year. Ariana's voice, often compared to Mariah Carey's, combined with her knack for catchy, soulful melodies, captured the hearts of millions around the globe. But Ariana didn't stop there. She continued to dominate the charts with her subsequent albums, each one showcasing her growth as an artist. My Everything, Dangerous Woman, Sweetener, and Thank You Next. Each album marked a new chapter in her career, featuring chart-topping hits and earning her a slew of awards. From Grammy Awards to Billboard Music Awards, Ariana's trophy case is a testament to her musical prowess. Her influence on pop culture is undeniable. With each new release, she redefines pop music, blending genres and pushing boundaries. She's not just a singer, she's a trendsetter, a fashion icon, a role model to millions. Her music videos, filled with powerful messages and stunning visuals, have racked up billions of views, making her one of the most watched artists on YouTube. Ariana's journey is a testament to her talent, hard work, and dedication. She's gone from a child actress to a global pop sensation, continually evolving and reinventing herself. And as she continues to create music that resonates with people worldwide, there's no doubt that Ariana is a force to be reckoned with in the music industry. She is a pop sensation who has not only dominated the charts but has also left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape. Today, Ariana Grande is more than just a pop sensation. She's a force of nature, a philanthropist, and a trendsetter in the music industry. Her net worth has skyrocketed, reflecting her relentless hustle and groundbreaking success. But it's not all about the money for Ariana. Her philanthropy work speaks volumes about her character, as she uses her platform to give back and make a difference. Ariana Grande, a name, a brand, an inspiration, continues to shine brighter each day. Ariana's journey is a story of passion, perseverance, and success. We're sure you've enjoyed this exploration of her rise to stardom. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. And don't forget to share your favorite Ariana Grande song or moment in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.